Hello Tech Explorers! Today, we'll explore another project that utilizes the pulley mechanism to lift and move objects. This advanced pulley mechanism is designed to lift much heavier objects than the simpler pulley systems we built before. In the real world, this type of crane is commonly used for heavy-duty tasks, such as lifting cars, large equipment, or construction materials, providing the strength and control needed to handle massive loads safely and efficiently. Now, let's watch it lift and move an object from one location to another.